This is how I coil up my rope so it comes undone nice and easy. Welcome back to Deez Knots. Today we're talking about the lineman's coil. To make this coil, we're just going to start with the rope in my left hand like this, about a metre or so just hanging down. With my right hand, I'm just going to keep taking full length of a span worth of the rope each time. I'm going to grab it, I'm going to pass it to my left hand, just like this. Sometimes if you're doing a big heavy rope like a rigging rope or a rope that's soaking wet, then sometimes it can get a little bit heavy by holding it in your left hand like this. So what I tend to do then is I just drop it down to my wrist. It just makes it a little bit easier to hold it, and it also frees up your hand to take some more bites because your hand can fill up quite quickly, especially with the longer ropes. So you just keep working your way down until you get, I'd say maybe like, I don't know, 2 meters off the end. Hold your left arm out like this, and with your right hand what you're just going to do is wrap the rope around the rest of the bundle there. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist my left hand around so it just grabs hold of it like that. Okay, try and get this nice and neat. Okay, so give it 3 or 4 wraps there. And then you have this little bit left over on the ends. So I'm just going to pull a bite through here. Okay. And I'm going to put another bite through there. Okay. Now, I can use this top bit to actually hang the rope up. So all I need to do now is just add another half hitch here. One. Add another one, 2. I can now use that as a little hook if I want to hang it up in the shed. Now, one of the key things with these knots is not just how you tie it, it's actually how you untie it as well. So when you're ready for this to be used, just take out those half hitches, pull the bite out. Now unwrap the coils around the top, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to you see where the kind of rope's coming from. It's coming from the top here, yeah? So I don't want to throw that on the bottom of the knot when I undo it, okay? Just before I undo it. So I want to throw that knot so that it comes off the top. So each time I'm now pulling it off, if this was at the base of the tree or wherever, it's pulling off the top of the coil and not from the bottom, and it doesn't end up then in a big knot. So that's the lineman's coil. Hope that's useful. Thanks for watching.